This is a package that I've received today, and I'm just guessing something that may be related to astronomy. Probably an eyepiece. You know already because you have watched the title. I don't know. So let's go and open it. Okay, now I have removed the wrapping, or cut actually, it's not removed yet. So let's see what is here. And how can I open this? Okay, the opening is here, which means I have to cut this sellotape. So wait. Okay, I've cut the sellotape. I have to use both hands. I will put the wrapping also away. Okay, I've put the wrapping away, and this is what is inside. Some paper, more paper, something big in a bubble wrap. So let's open and see. Okay, let's see. Oh, I see some black and some green. Oh, it can be a, can it be a Televue? Ooh, wow. A Televue 14mm Delos, looks immaculate, new. And yeah, let me just see how it is. Let me remove the wrapping. So a Televue 14mm Delos. I have a 10mm, and I thought that 14mm. I was really impressed with the quality of the image, especially when I was observing the Jupiter. Better than the Bode Morpheus, and 6.5mm. When I borrowed that 10mm, it became 5, and the image quality was intact, very good. And so I just went and bought a 14mm one, which when I do the Barlow on it, it will become 7mm. 14mm Delos. I have a 14mm Bode Morpheus, which I will compare when I'm in the night probably. But this has a big lens. I heard that the 14mm Pentax is similar to this, but 14mm Pentax in some telescope, not all, has some field curvature problem. This one, it seems, didn't have that problem, according to some reviewers. I don't know if these are true or not. The only person I trust on the reviews is just Ernest from Russia. That guy actually does the test on them. And Televue is the one who trusts that Ernest also. They sent him a lot of their eyepieces just for the review and tests that he does on them. So, Televue Delos, and let's see how it looks in the true. Big eye lens, and sunny outside, as you can see. Looks acceptable, looks good actually, quality good. Beautiful. According to David Nagler, it was designed, and it is an invention by one of the designers in that Televue, Dellechiaie Patini or something like that. He is a Greek. They thought that that name is not good for a name as a commercial thing, as a product for a commercial thing. So they shortened it to Delos, which is one of the islands of the Greek. But Nagler is also another name which is not really, it just now became commercial, but it was not a commercial name, considering that it's a German name. Al Nagler is from Germany. Why he ended up in America, there's a lot of stories about it, but this is the design. And they could call it with the name of that person. They didn't. So this is the way the capitalism goes. You invent something, you design something, and you don't get credit for it. This is the Tele Vue 14mm Delos. I've now fixed it on a target which is around 15 meter away, 12 to 15 meter away. Let's see how the image looks like. The eye placement is a little bit finicky, and when you just go a little bit out of the path of the light, you see some ring of fire effect and some blue chromatic aberration, but at the center, when you are placing your eye, is really good. The image quality is good. That was how the image looked like through the Delos 14mm Televue. I was using my lovely ED80 Skywatcher ED80 Pro Series Gold version telescope. It's apochromatic, or as they call it, semi-apo, but I think that is apo actually. And the target was this. Let me show you. There is a tree in front of our window, and those fruits you see there, tiny fruits, were the image you were looking at. You were looking at the image. So around 12 to 15 meters away.